The city of Detroit has had a long-lasting love-hate relationship with the People Mover.
People Mover is great.
I don't think it's a good investment, no.
The People Mover is a unique light rail system in downtown Detroit. And even during the auto show, the busiest time of year for Detroit, the People Mover trains were usually pretty empty.
The Grand Circus Park Station, Fort Cass Station, Broadway Station.
I wish it were broader. I wish it went out further.
The People Mover makes 13 stops through downtown Detroit, and it only covers a 2.9-mile circumference. Not to mention, it only goes in one direction. So, if you want to go from Times Square to Cobo Center using the People Mover, you have to go all the way around downtown Detroit, stopping at 10 stations along the way. Or you can just walk and get there in about the same time. But at just 75 cents a ride, the fare is really cheap. And it does have its uses for those who live, work, and play in downtown Detroit.
There's people that live downtown and that's how they get to work every morning.
Real convenient.
I think it's a great thing for the city of Detroit. I think it's very underutilized, though.
In fact, it's so underutilized that the Detroit Transportation Corporation, the company responsible for the People Mover, is spending nearly $4 for each and every trip taken on the People Mover.
It's like anything else in the city of Detroit. Nothing makes money here.
So how do we go about explaining this love-hate relationship between Detroit and the People Mover?
Detroit is a car town, so any public transportation has a long push to get adopted by us. We're used to getting in our cars and driving, even if it's 2 blocks. That's what we do.